What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to draw the ASM chart for a Moore state machine. Now let's see how to do that. First of all, since here we have two input, you can see this is 1 1, and if you have 0 1 1 0, it means this is a two input statement diagram. So two input mean in previous video we had one input, it was just x, but if it's two input we had to put xy. But if it's xy, there are four possibilities. It can be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, four possibilities. Now let's see how the diagram is going to be. Here we have to draw the decision diagram, that is this one. If it's two input, we are going to have two decision. So we are going to have a branch like this, and here we will have y when the x is 0, and y will have two choices. Y can be 0, y can be 1, and y can be 0, y can be 1, and also x can be 1. At that time again we are going to have another y, and this y can be 0 and 1 as well. Okay, now first this is our A. In A, if you look at this one, if the input is 0, output also 0, and it goes back to A. So if it's 0 and output is 0, mean it's just going to go like this. Okay, 0, output is 0, input is 0, output is 0, so it's going to go like this. And if the input is 1, output is also going to be 1, and it's going to C. But let's go ahead and draw the BC as well. This is our B, and it's also going to have, this is our B, and also we are going to have C. Everything has, since this is two input, we are going to have again same thing like this. The decision diagram is going to be same like this. X, Y, and then Y, this is 0 1 0 1, this is 0 1 here, this one connected like this. Okay, now if this is 0, if the input is 0 0, we have, it's going to A again. If it's 1 1, it's going to C. So 1 1 mean x is 1, y is 1. When x and y are 1, it's going to C. And when it's 0 1 comma 1 0, 0 1 comma 1 0, it means it's the common thing here. C goes to A. Okay, I draw it for B, I had to draw it for C as well. X, Y, and again we will have a Y right here. This one is 0, this one is 1, again this one is 1, this one is 0, and here it's 0, and this one is 1, and that's it. Now you can see when from C, 0 1 1 0 goes to A. 0 1 1 0, C goes to A. So it's going to just go like this. C goes to A. We can just connect it right here. And okay, now we have dealt with all these things, and let's look at this. Maybe let's go to B. B is when it's 0 0, it goes to B again. So 0 0 is here. When X is 0, Y is 0. This is the location. B goes back again like this. And also in B we have, let's look at A and B connections. When 1 1, it goes to A. When it's 1 1 mean X is 1, Y is 1, this location, it goes to A. Okay, let's make a bend to show it not connected. Okay, it goes to A. And then when it's 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0 is the common place. When A is 0 1 1 0, it goes to B. So this is the common place. This middle part is the common place. It goes to B like this. Now we have dealt with between A and B. Now let's go to the C. In C, when it's 0 0, it goes to C again. So here it's 0, X is 0, Y is 0. It goes to the C again. And then we have 1 1. When C is 1 1, it goes to B. C is 1 1, it goes to B. C is 1 1, it goes to B. And then we have this one, 0 1 1 0, B goes to C. 0 1 1 0, B goes to C. Yeah, we already drew that one, and that's it. We have dealt with everything, and that's how we draw the ASM chart for a Moore state machine. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn DLD2, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.